Okay, I will try to do the second part, but yeah, I cannot promise anything. Okay, the second part. To make things a little more interesting, J cards are jokers. Okay. What does that mean for the code? So I have this J here. These are jokers. Okay. J cards are now the weakest individual cards. Okay. Why not? J cards can pretend to be whatever card is best. For example, QQJQ2 is now considered four of a kind. Interesting. So I need to adjust the strength. handStrength is now calculated in a different way. First of all, let's change it back and let's commit it. Couple, stack YAML, put. That's good. Okay. License. Wow. Why so serious? No, it's not 2923. Day 7. What was the name of the Camel Cards? Okay. Cards part 1. Okay, now. No. We do. And I have to change handStrength to account for J's. So, how do I do that? Now the above example goes very differently. Okay. So So basically, is isFiveOfAKind. Its definition changes. Now I take a group and I return length of a group and the head of the group. So if I have 5 of anything, I am good. If I have 1, not 1, no. So the joker is 0, its strength is 0. Good. So if I have any kind of anything, sort, and I have any amount of jokers, then it's also true. Let's test that. So, for example, GCI. It is the right GCI. No, this is not. Stack GCI. Yeah. So it's failed. Why? Oh yeah. Forgotten parentheses. Where is my isFiveOfAKind? Yep. Okay, what's wrong now? Nothing. Okay, so let's test that isFiveOfAKind parse hand. Oh, I could actually produce the read. That was not a bad idea, but it's too late for that now. So if I take 2 JJ 2 J, but it should be. Why? What's wrong? Oh, yeah, the sort was so I sort by length. Oh, right, that's why. Oh, yes. So if I just swap this, I want to get 5, and I want to get any amount of zeros. That should give me isFiveOfAKind. It's false. Okay, seems to work. FourOfAKind. How does it work? Again, I can just delete this. Defined. I can also say that this is undefined now. I can also say that this is undefined now, and this is undefined now, and this is undefined now, and high card is also undefined now. Okay, now isFiveOfAKind seems to work. Okay, what do we do with the FourOfAKind? Okay, what are the cases? Okay. So the obvious case is I get 4 of anything, and it's true. 1 of anything and 4 of anything. Otherwise it's false. Or is it? Let's think. Oh, yes. That must be the other way. Okay, that's true. Otherwise, what cases can be there? So let's assume that I have 0 of some amount of j's. Then assume I have any amount of something and any amount of one of something, and I have any amount of anything else. In that case, I think that becomes true, and this becomes false. Okay. Is that even true? Let's look at the example. Let's just look at the example first. Undefined, yeah, 74. Yeah, so how do I define the height card? Oh, basically all of this, and these helper functions are really not useful. But okay, not that it matters. Okay, why do I even care? It's 2. If I get here, then it's 2. Okay, what else? 70. Okay, one pair. Okay, I see, that's an easy one. So let's just take this template and let's say that if I get anything else, it's false. The only way it can a joker, so one of anything, so the obvious case, one of anything, one of anything, one of anything, and 2 of anything. That becomes 2. Okay, and there is another case where I have one joker, one of anything else, one of anything else, and one of anything else. In that case, it becomes 2, because a joker becomes any of this, and it becomes 1 pair. Okay, let's test it. What's 1 now? 66. Yeah. Again, it's 2 pair. Okay, so the worst case, the obvious case, 1 of something, 2 of something, and 2 of something. This is 2. In which case a joker can make this 2. So first of all, so this is the case of 0 jokers, and I can have 1 joker. What do I need for this to become true? Okay, this is pretty obvious. 2 of anything, 1 of anything, and 1 of anything. Yeah, that becomes true. Okay, what if I get 2 jokers? Then it doesn't make sense, because it can easily make it into a... Yeah, that just doesn't make sense. Yeah, I cannot get here with 2 jokers, because it would definitely make either a 3 of a kind or a full house. Okay, let's look here. What's the false? What's the obvious case here without jokers? 3 of a kind. What do I need to get a 3 of a kind? Yeah, that's easy. 1 of something, 1 of something, and 3 of something. Okay, if I have jokers, and this is 0 jokers, what if I have 1 joker? How can I make this 3 of a kind? Ooh. Yeah, basically this way. And in case I have 2 jokers. Ooh, that's interesting. Two jokers. Wait. How is it even possible? Yeah, that's not correct. Yeah, this is... this is correct. If I get 3 jokers, that would definitely be a 4 of a kind, at least 4 of a kind. And if I how do I get a full house? So the obvious case is false, and I get full house when I get anything of 2 and anything of 3. Oh, it is not compared this way. Oh. Okay. So I really need to rethink this helper. This full house is only ever used here, right? And okay. Let's change this. Go state. So this becomes go. Okay. And this becomes its body. Okay. Go. What? Okay, all this must go. handStrength. Okay. Let's take it this way. Well, sort labels, and let's say that labels come from the hand, and in the worst case the rank is 0. How do you... Oh, no. So no, this template doesn't work anymore. You have to actually split it into CI list. Partition. Okay, you have to actually split it into what? First, non-joker labels and jokers. Oh, let's say it this way. So what do I do? L partition by is equal to 0 labels in, and now I have to match first of all the number of jokers, and the second the number of each other element. So isFiveOfAKind goes away, all of this boilerplate goes away, and now let's think. Length jokers. So case number 1, 0 jokers. Only a group of 5 5 similar labels. This is the two of a kind, the highest priority. So how do you get so you have 1 joker and 1 group of 4 similar elements. That becomes 5 of a kind. So what are other ways to do it? 2 jokers and 3 elements. That also becomes this. Okay. And let's say this is nj and n I don't know what. And in case that nj plus nc is equal to well, there is no point in even checking if they should always if I have just one group besides jokers, then obviously nj plus nc is equal to 5 to the length of the hand. Okay, four of a kind. How exactly I can get four of a kind? Okay, so there are two ways. I get 0 jokers and I get 1 and 4. Oh, and this needs to be sorted too. Oh, wow. Okay, this is one way to get it, and the second way is to that one, 3. This is the only way to do it. If I get 2 jokers and I have 1 and oh, that's where I must check it. Okay, yeah. So in this case the total is 5. What is common to that? Is the common thing in FourOfAKind that I always get one different card and 2 groups? Actually, that sounds correct. Okay, let's debug that later, if this is one. Okay, so full house. How do you get full house? 4. Strength 4. So you can get some number of jokers and you get either okay, if I had it like this, okay, now I really need to think. So full house, I must have 3 and 2 in the end, and okay, 1. So if you have 0 jokers, what do you need for a full house? You need 2 and 3. If you have 1 joker, what do you need for a full house? You definitely need 2 and 2. Okay, if you have 2 jokers, what do you need for a full house? You definitely need at least 2 present similar labels, but that would easily make 4 of a kind in any case. So it just doesn't make sense to test for 2 jokers, but oh, let's say you have this 1, 2. What happens then? Oh, it cannot happen. Yeah, and this just becomes 3 of a kind, right? Yeah. Oh. Is there any way to get full house with 2 jokers? No, I don't see why would you do that. Yeah, okay. Okay, how do you get 3 of a kind? If you have 0 jokers and 1, 1, 3, then you get 3 of a kind. If you have jokers, how do you get 3? If you have 1 joker and 1, 1, 2. Yeah, you do get 3 of a kind. If you have 2 jokers, then this actually produces 3 of a kind. Yeah. Okay. What is the next one? To pair. So if you have 0 jokers, then you must have this in order to have to pair. Okay. Okay, if you have 1 joker, how can you produce to pair? Is this the only way to do it? Yeah. If you have 2 jokers, then why would you produce to pair? Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, 1 pair. And oh, wait. So I do need 2 pair. So yeah, this becomes like this. And joker goes to this pair, and this becomes, wait, why do this becomes to pair? This doesn't make sense because this could become 3 of a kind. Yeah, so it does not. Wait, this doesn't even make sense. Yeah. The sum of this is more than 5, so this doesn't make sense at all. But why does this make sense? Oh, yeah. But in this case, you don't get it to pair. You actually make. Okay. That's how you get. But this is 1 pair. Okay. 1, 2. This has become 1 pair, and this also becomes 1 pair. Okay. High card. Wait. 3 of a kind. The pair is 2, and this is 1. Okay. And then the high card is anything else. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and actually anything else should be an error. What was that? handStrength. Unreachable plus show unreachable. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. One module is loaded. Let's look at the example. Does it blow up? What the hell is going on? What does that even mean? Loop. Why? Other. Isn't reachable some kind of a... What just happened? Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is a recursive binding. Wow. Non-jokers. Non-jokers. Okay, good. Unreachable. 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so what is this? It's 1 pair? Yep. My bad. Yep. So, now it should produce this. Okay. Let's debug the input. Let's debug it. I will not be just running anything and just submitting it now. Okay, now again, there are unhandled cases, and these are... Ooh, you're correct. Yep. This becomes f5 of a kind, yeah. Okay, let's quickly sanity check the output. How can you get 0? Is it even possible? Or is this how I... Okay, this is just a high card, I guess, right? Yeah, looks like a high card, so they definitely should not have jokers in them, and they should all have different labels. Okay. Let's look for J. And yeah, jokers only start in 1 pair, yeah. All the other symbols must be different. Yes, that's true. That's true. 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 Why? Because we have 2 3s. Yeah, actually, highlighting of jokers is very useful. Yeah, here joker can become any of the other characters. Yep. Here we have 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 4s. Becomes any of the other, 2 8s, 2 8s, 2 9s, 2 Qs, 2 4s, becomes any of the others. Yeah, looks correct. Let's but check something else. Yeah, 2 6s, 2 3s, becomes anything else. Okay, let's go to the next strength. So, this is a 2 pair. This is a 2 pair. Yeah, this is a 2 pair. This is a 2 pair. Do I get any jokers in here? Oh yeah, it actually doesn't make sense for jokers to create a 2 pair. Yeah, and I only see jokers when there are then there is 3 of a kind. Yeah. So now J becomes Q. J becomes any of the other labels. J becomes any of the other labels. J becomes 5, J becomes 5, J becomes 3, J becomes but it becomes any of the others, J becomes 8, J becomes 8, J becomes 7. Okay. 3 of a kind. Yeah, 3, 6, 4. Okay, let's go to the next one. 4. Okay. Yeah, it's a full house. It's a full house. It's a full house. It's a full house because J becomes either 4 or 2. It's a full house. It's a full house. Yeah, I think that looks sensible. And yeah, JJ, it's interesting. And 5 means 4 of a kind, yeah. And 4 of a kind, yeah, it becomes 3, it becomes 3, it becomes 3, it becomes 4, it becomes 4, it becomes 6, it becomes 6, it becomes T, it becomes T, it becomes 8. Okay, that looks sensible. J becomes a 5 of a kind, J becomes 6, J becomes 7, 8, 8, K, A. Okay, I'm reasonably sure this is correct. Yep. Finally, something works.